Welcome to our channel. If you have forgotten your Citi online banking password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these step-by-step instructions to regain account access. Step 1. Open your web browser and visit the Citibank official website at online.citi.com. Step 2. On the login page, click the Forgot User ID or Password link located below the sign-in fields. Step 3. Select Forgot Password option to begin the password reset process. Step 4. Enter your user ID or registered email address to identify your account. Step 5. Verify your identity by providing personal information such as your account number, social security number, date of birth, or zip code. Step 6. Choose how you want to receive your password reset code, either via text message to your registered phone number or email to your registered email address. Step 7. Enter the verification code you received and click Continue or Verify. Step 8. Create a new, strong password following Citi's requirements, which typically include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Confirm your new password and log in to verify the reset was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.